Recent extreme weather events, including extreme heat, have brought the public health impacts of climate and weather to the forefront. Steve, why are we seeing such a dramatic rise in extreme weather events?
Rising extreme heat is what underlies the rising number of extreme weather events. We have seen a tripling of heat waves, both in the frequency and the intensity and power of them over the last 50 years. And this is leading to what we're seeing now, which is wildfires in LA and in Lahaina, Hawaii, excess rainfall and flooding in Kerrville, Texas, in western North Carolina. These patterns are being seen globally, not just in the United States. We had the tragic floods in Valencia that killed over 200 on a scale very similar to what we've seen in Texas this week.
What are the health consequences?
The health consequences are multiple. First of all, deaths. Deaths are rising. Estimate is that in the United States, extreme heat-related deaths are about 12,000. We'll see what that number looks like by the end of this year. Excess heat, extreme heat causes kidney disease, cardiovascular disease, heat exhaustion, heat sickness, and stroke.
What can be done about it?
There are two exemplary cases in America, Phoenix and Miami. In each, we've seen political leadership and innovation in appointing a heat officer to lead efforts within those cities, winning support across political aisles and city councils, staffing those efforts, coming up with a task force with a national plan, building coalitions across city administration around these strategies. And they have delivered results. They focused on educating and preparing the public so that they understand the threats that they face. They have taken steps to cool neighborhoods by expanding shade, and they have taken many steps to try to cool homes, expand emergency facilities, and cool those very effectively. In recent months, climate change, staffing, financing, and programs in the United States have been rolled back pretty comprehensively. And it's become very clear just how polarized political opinion is in America around the questions of climate change. What I think can be done to try and break that is to focus on what's happening in the lived experience of Americans in local communities, in cities, in states, and on the concrete solutions that are needed now to protect people. The kinds of steps that we've seen in Phoenix and Miami, I think, are inspiring. They point us to where creative, smart action by leadership, political leadership of all stripes, can deliver results and begin to earn popular support from within the American population around these lived experiences.